Hi, Bryn here. Now, any idea what this is? You may have seen one on a TV advert. It's a washing machine element, and this one isn't looking very good, is it? That's because it's covered in Limescale, and your element may be covered too. So let me show you what you can do about it. So this is a washing machine element. It's hidden away deep inside your washer and heats the water every time you use your machine. And this is what one looks like after 2 years of use. Now, Limescale is caused by minerals like calcium and magnesium in our tap water. Over time, these mineral deposits can build up and leave your element looking like this. An element left like this makes your washer work harder than it needs to and can eventually lead to a costly repair. Limescale buildup isn't limited to the element. Every part of your washing machine that comes into contact with water is subject to that nasty limescale, including the drum, pipes and pump. This can be especially problematic for the door seal. Any limescale buildup here can damage the seal and lead to a leaky washer. You don't want your door seal looking like this. Limescale buildup can be particularly problematic if you live in a hard water area. So here's a map of the UK showing you water hardness from soft to hard and finally very hard. If you live in a hard water area, you're going to experience the effects of limescale buildup far quicker than if you live in a soft water area. Either way, let me show you what you can do about it. So, experiment time. You don't have to do this at home. I've got our limescale element. I'm going to place it into this beaker of water. Now, plug time. I take a sachet of this Wpro professional limescale remover and add it to the water. And we'll come back in a bit and see how it gets on. So if we have a look, we can see that the limescale remover has done a fantastic job, and if we kept at it, it would eventually end up looking like a brand new one. Now, you don't need to take your elements out and put it in a beaker to give it a good clean. You can do it all from the comfort of your dispenser drawer. Now, all we have to do is a service wash. So empty the Wpro limescale remover into the dispenser drawer. And with the machine empty, set it to its service wash if it has one. If it doesn't, set it to 60 degrees and then leave it to do its thing. You want to aim to be doing a service wash with a limescale and grease remover about once every month. And if you have a smelly washing machine, you can use something like these Wpro washing machine cleaning tabs. And you can see me combat smelly washers in this video right here. To order any limescale remover or cleaning tablets or any spares like elements or door seals for your Indesit washer, visit indesitservice.co.uk.